What up cunts? Today I'm going to be showing you how to download a PNG for all those plebs who use JPEGs in their thumbnails. Let's go. First you're going to go into Google and type in an image you want. Then click on Tools, Color, and Transparent. Once that's loaded, click on the image and make sure the background has white and gray checkers. That's how you know it's a PNG. If the background is white, it's trash, similar to people in it. Save and name the PNG. Sorry for blurring the shit out of my files, you can understand. Once it's finished downloading, just open it and put it in Photoshop, Google Drawings, or whatever the fuck you make thumbnails in. Thanks for watching the video. Sorry for all the shit memes. I'll try upload more. Be patient. Also, 10 subscriber milestone coming soon. Remember to leave a comment, like and subscribe.
And hit the fucking bell icon.
Can we break
600 quadrillion likes
on this video, please?